By the end of this video, you will know how to log in TurboTax account. Dude, start by opening TurboTax on your device. Once the TurboTax home screen appears, look to the upper right corner and click Sign In. This takes you to the Sign In page for your Intuit account, which is the account used to access TurboTax. On the screen that says Let's get you into TurboTax, enter the account detail linked to your Intuit account. You can use your phone number, your email address, or your user ID, depending on what you normally use to sign in. Make sure you enter the one connected to the correct account before moving forward. After that information is in place, click Sign In. TurboTax will then move to the Enter Your Intuit Password screen. In the password field, type the password for your account. Take a moment to check that it is entered correctly, especially if your device does not show the characters as you type. When the password is ready, click Continue. At this point, TurboTax may ask you to verify your identity before giving you access to the account. If that happens, choose the option to receive a verification code by text message. This sends a code from Intuit to the phone connected to your account. After selecting that option, wait a moment for the message to arrive. Now check your phone for the text message from Intuit. In that message, you will receive a 6-digit verification code. Return to the TurboTax verification screen and enter that code into the verification code field. Be sure to enter the code exactly as it appears in the text message so the verification can go through without an error. Once the code is entered, click Continue. TurboTax will use that code to confirm your identity and complete the sign-in process. If the code is accepted, your account will open and you will be taken into TurboTax. If you do not see the verification message right away, give it a brief moment and then check your phone again before trying to continue. The key part is to use the code sent to the phone tied to your Intuit account and enter it in the correct field on the screen. After you click Continue, the verification step is complete and access is granted. That completes the full login process, starting from the Sign In button and ending with account verification. You have entered your account details, submitted your password, verified your identity by text message, and reached your TurboTax account. Thanks for watching. Your TurboTax account is now signed in and ready to access.